In this video, we are going to show you how to install the Fermod F430 and F431 latch sets. This latch with packer set is designated to hinged inset or overlapping doors. It consists of an internal part and an external part. The F430 is the standard version and the F431 is the locking version. These sets are designed for door thicknesses from 67mm to 115mm and from 115mm to 165mm. Installation process. Drill 3 holes on the outside of the door, following the measurements provided on the instruction sheet. Cut the required part. The standard parts length for doors of 60, 66, 115 and 165mm thickness don't require any cuts. Pre-tighten screws, then tighten only half turn. Assemble the pieces together. Cover mounting. And you're done!